This is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 after a long period of use. It's quite worn out and the outer screen has an unsightly vertical line along the edge. Looks so bad. Yeah, it's old and no longer has that flashy exterior, but inside this device is still a multitasking beast, running smoothly as usual. But let's be honest, and just using the default interface is too boring. So today I decided to try a silly but incredibly interesting idea. Turning this high-end foldable phone into a Windows Z Fold 4. The classic Windows Phone interface on the outer screen and the inside screen giving the feel of a real Windows PC. Is this experience going to be fun? And how did I do it? Let's find out. Do you remember the legendary Lumia lineup? Back when Windows Phone took the world by storm with its unique tile interface, buttery smooth performance, and crazy battery life. It's such a shame it collapsed, but its disappearance left a massive wave of nostalgia for every tech enthusiast. To fill that void, today I've decided to put the soul of Windows Phone into the body of this Galaxy Z Fold 4. This is a fully functional resurrection, capturing almost the exact essence of those old Lumia days. But trust me, making two completely different Windows operating systems run smoothly on a dual-screen foldable phone. It wasn't an easy ride. Let me show you how I MacGyvered this whole setup. This is the Galaxy Z Fold 4, Samsung's premium 2-in-1 folding phone and tablet. It caused a massive stir back when it launched in 2022. Now, my device is no longer fresh or flashy. In fact, it looks pretty beat up, but don't look down on it just yet. Its performance remains incredibly impressive even 4 years after release. Armed with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 and 12GB of RAM, it can still easily crush any modern task. And surprise, surprise, it's still updated to the latest Android 16 running Samsung's One UI 8. Both the inner and outer displays feature Super AMOLED panels with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. With these impressive specs and performance, how hard could it be to port the interfaces of two different Windows versions onto this phone at the exact same time? Here are the rules of the game today. When folded, we get a Windows phone, and when unfolded, we get a Windows PC. Oh my lord. I really hope Microsoft doesn't watch this video. Alright, let's mess around with the outer display first. To bring back that legendary Metro UI from Windows Phone without any of that clunky, overcomplicated setup, I'm using an app called Metro Launcher. Just grab it from the Google Play Store and you're good to go. Open the app, and it's just a few basic steps. Choose your language, pick your theme color, grant a couple of system permissions, and boom, no rocket science required. We now have a fully complete interface with those signature square and rectangular tiles. Man, the nostalgia is hitting so hard right now. It's been ages since I last touched this legendary design. The best part is, you can customize everything completely free. You can drag these tiles around, resize them, and arrange the grid however you like. If this default blue is getting a bit boring, you can switch to a punchier color. Yeah, that looks way cleaner and sharper. You can even color code individual tiles to match your vibe. When you swipe over, an alphabetized app list pops up, looking ultra minimalist. What's really cool is they even thoughtfully integrated a dedicated battery widget and a weather app that completely match the old school Windows Phone aesthetic. However, a minor issue popped up. When I swipe up from the bottom to go back to the home screen, this beautiful Metro UI instantly disappears and the phone snaps right back to Samsung's default One UI. To fix this annoyance, simply open Settings, go to Choose Default Apps, and change the home app to Metro Launcher. Done. From now on, Metro is officially our main system interface. And I gotta admit, it is shockingly smooth. Look at this. Every single app opening animation where the screen flips over and slides into view is 100% true to the Windows Phone experience. Honestly, it feels even smoother than the original Lumia I used back in the day, mostly thanks to the 120Hz refresh rate on this Z Fold 4. You can also tap the gear icon right on the home screen to dive deeper into the settings. There are plenty of options here. A few advanced features require premium, but the free version is already more than enough for our tinkering needs. Of course, this skin isn't 100% perfect. Underneath that nostalgic cover, the core system is still Android. We have those nostalgic Metro UI icons, but when you open them, the actual apps are still standard Android software. Now, here's where things get interesting. When I unfold the device and the entire tile layout of Metrov Launcher stretches out across this massive 7.6-inch screen. I mean, it's still pretty impressive, spacious, and buttery smooth. Tapping these giant tiles on a folding display is a pretty fun experience. But this is exactly where the real challenge begins. How do we make it so that it stays a Windows phone when folded, but the moment I unfold the inner screen, it instantly transforms into a full Windows PC environment instead? To solve this puzzle, we're going to need the second piece of our experiment, WinX Launcher. This app brings a fully realized Windows PC desktop experience right to your screen. Naturally, it's available on the Google Play Store, so just download it and you're good to go. And boom! A Windows desktop environment appears right before our eyes. But wait, there's something a bit off here. When I try to swipe up from the bottom to go home, everything instantly snaps back to that Windows Phone tile layout from earlier. Ah, I see. The system is still recognizing Metrov Launcher as the default. Time to do the exact opposite of what we did before. Head into settings and switch the default home app to WinX Launcher. Done. Man, this interface looks seriously impressive. We have a whole taskbar sitting proudly at the bottom, complete with that holy start button. This app also gives us tons of customization options. You can freely change the layout and resize the app icons right on the desktop display. Let me clean this up a bit. Alright, looking sharp and proper now. This start menu looks shockingly close to the real deal on a PC. A complete list of all your apps lives right here, alongside some super convenient quick access shortcuts. Over on the right corner is the Action Center. It looks identical to the real thing, and the crazy part is, it's actually fully functional, letting you adjust system settings instead of just being there for show. Still, looking at the big picture, something feels missing. Alright, this default wallpaper isn't doing it for me, gotta switch to that legendary Windows wallpaper immediately. And boom, talk about that true Windows vibe, incredible. This Z Fold 4 honestly looks more like a Windows tablet right now than a Samsung phone. Every single feature, from the start menu to the Action Center, feels incredibly smooth and responsive. And just look at this PC icon, it is the real deal. When you tap it, a file management window pops up and you can freely drag the window around, maximize it, minimize it, or hide it down in the taskbar. This is absolutely insane. I don't know what kind of wizard coded this launcher, but it has literally turned my Android device into a true Windows machine. When I fold the device, the outer screen still shows WinX Launcher, and honestly, it looks incredibly cramped on this tiny display. So, here's the ultimate puzzle. How do we run the Windows Phone UI on the cover screen and the Windows PC UI on the inside independently? To pull this off, we're using Samsung's Native Modes and Routines app, which works on a simple if this then that logic. The idea is straightforward. First, make sure WinX Launcher is set as your system's default home app. Then, create one routine that takes you to the home screen when unfolded, and a second routine that forces Metrov Launcher to open when the device is folded shut. Now look at the magic. Every time I unlock the phone while folded, we get Metrov Launcher's Windows Phone UI on the cover screen. The moment I unfold it completely, the system triggers the routine, instantly bringing up the WinX Windows PC layout. It's amazing how easily we can run two different launchers on one device. But obviously it's not flawless. Occasionally, the routine doesn't kick in fast enough when unfolding, causing an annoying 1 to 2 second delay before snapping into the Windows desktop. Sure, I could manually swipe to go home, but that defeats the purpose of an automatic setup. Same thing goes for the outer screen, as if I accidentally swipe up from the bottom edge, the system drops the ball and falls back to the default WinX layout. To fix this, I found a quick MacGyver trick. Just pin Metrov Launcher right onto the WinX taskbar. If things get confused, one quick tap on that icon brings Windows Phone right back. Minor bugs aside, I'm genuinely impressed that we can breathe life into two distinct nostalgic Windows experiences on a single phone. Android deserves massive credit here. It is such an insanely flexible OS that it allows us to pull off dumb, chaotic experiments like this. On a serious note, this Z Fold 4 still packs so much untamed potential. What other crazy ideas should I try on this foldable? Let me know in the comments below.